Good morning, everyone. Myself, J.K. Anand from Pratibha Public School. I have been given a chance to speak something about the content and time management among you. It is a period of teacher training, and in this period all are teacher, and not only teacher but each and every person needs time. And just as you know that time is a universal thing. It has been given by God. It has been given us by God equivalently. No one is in this world who has been given more than 24 hours. I think not only labor but also kings have given equivalent time. And dear friend, time is money, real, just as time is money, and we should think before wasting the time, just as we think before spending money. You know that money can be earned. If we lose money, don't mind, we can earn, but time can't be earned. Time comes once time and never back. Okay, so dear friend, I would like to tell you that you would follow my 7 tips. Today I am going to give you that how will you save your time, because time is fixed and we have lots of work. Time is fixed and we have lots of work, and we always complain about the time, that we have no time, we have no time, we have no time. After all, why time has been given each and every person equivalent, and some person use time exactly and perfect, and some person use it, don't use, some person waste time, and the person who will understand the value of time can gain his life, and the person who will not understand the value of time, he can't do anything in his sector, because time is always going on. It can't wait for anyone, whether lecturer, doctor, CM, PM or president. It is continue. It's do our duty. It's do its duty. Continue. It depends on us that how shall we use our time, because we have only 24 hours time, and in 24 hours we shall have to sleep also, and sleeping is also necessary. So just as you know that we should sleep at least 6 to 8 hours. And it is necessary our health, and we have only 16 hours time, and in 16 hours time, how should we do our time? Today I am going to make you understand about the system, about the tips that how can you use your time, because nowadays there are lots of platforms where you can where you can waste your costly time easily. Just as you know that today, nowadays, it is digital days. YouTube, Telegram, Wi-Fi, Facebook, WhatsApp, there are many things which can waste our time. So we should think at first before wasting the time, because time comes once time and it never returns back. And money can be earned and time can be not earned. So dear friend, I am going to tell you something about it, that at first what should you do, how should you use your time exactly. Because we have lots of work and time is only 24 hours, and in 24 hours we shall have to waste at least 8 hours time for our natural thing, just sleeping, going to bath, brushing my mouth, and it is natural thing. In this condition we shall have to waste, but except 8 hours, we have 16 hours time, and in 16 hours it depends on us that how should we use our time. It depends on us, because there are different types of persons. Some persons like to watch the TV, and some person use always the mobile, and some person will always watch the TV. It means it depends on our mind, it depends on us that how shall we use our exact time. If we want to be something, if you want to be special in our society, then exactly we shall have to follow our time, because if now I waste our time, one day time will waste us and we can't do anything in our life. And in our life only 100 years, about 100 years, and in day we have only 24 hours time, and in 24 hours we have to waste at least 8 hours time for our natural thing, and we have only 16 hours time, and in 16 hours how shall I say, and how shall we use our time exactly. At first we shall have to follow in our daily life, that before going to your bed, means at night when you go to bed, before going to bed you will have to think about yourself, that what have you to do, what have you to do tomorrow. You will have to think before going to bed. And when you have thought about your work, that you have lots of work tomorrow, then in lots of work we shall have to notice that which is urgent and which is not urgent for me. Because in fact we have lots of work, but in lots of work some works are urgent for us and some works are not urgent. It may happen that important and not important. urgent and not urgent. Urgent means the work which is related to our family is called urgent work. Just as my gas has any types of problem in kitchen room, any types of problem in electric, any types of problem in my tablet, anything. It is my first problem. It is urgent. It is urgent because without it we can't do it, and it is important for me. So we shall have to think at first that which is urgent for us and which is not urgent for us. Because just as I told you that there are lots of work in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in YouTube. If you have mobile, you will waste your time. When did you waste your time? You will not know yourself. Because there are many things in the mobile and you can watch it. And you can waste your time. And if nowadays you waste your time, time will waste you money. So at first what should we do? We should make a plan. We should make a plan before going to it at first. That what should we do? And if we have lots of work, in lots of work we shall have to choose that which is urgent for us and which is not urgent for us. Which work which is related to our family, it means electric, gas, any type of disease. At first I will do the work, and after that any work may be urgent. So at first we shall think, and second is concentrate on one task at a time. Okay, dear friend, just as we know that we have lots of work in our life, sometimes we think that if you would deal in anything, we would earn. If I would study 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, I would get married, and some person thinks I will also study and I will also deal in any business. So it means if one time you will do a one word, means if you are reading, you will keep on reading only. You will not think about anything at the time of reading. If you are eating, you will think about your food, about your eating and how is it tasty or not. And if you are watching the mobile, you will get into the mobile. And you will also buy the one in, and you will also watch the mobile, and you will also drive the bike. You know what will it happen? Anything will happen. So, at first you will do any work. If you want to do any work, you will do one time. You will focus one time. Means if you read, you will keep on reading. If you playing cricket, you will play, and at the time of playing, you will think something or the other about your mind. Means you will disturb. You can't do anything. So you will focus one word, one time, and sure and certain, I think that you will get it. If you think about yourself that you have to, if you are in UPSC, UPSC examination, and if you think your thought is so, you can be, but you will have to focus only UPSC, not UPSC. Because there are some difference between UPSC and UPSC syllabus. In one time you can do one word. If you are going to prepare for railway, it means you will focus only for railway. You will not focus about UPSC. In that condition, your mind will be disturbed. So, At first you will make your constant that what have you to do, and any work you will do one time in your life, you will succeed. And second, third, do most important task with on in time. Means do most important task. Just as I told you that in our life there are lots of work. In our life there are lots of work. Means there are lots of work, but some work are important and some work are not important. Some work are urgent and some work are not urgent. It means the work which is urgent. At first we would like to do it possible. The work which is urgent. Just as I told you that which is called urgent work, means in the work which is related to our family, our home, it is called urgent work at first. Our relation, our anything, it means it is called urgent. If it is urgent, I will accept it. And it is not urgent, then and work in high performance intervals. Work in high performance means when you will work in your class. If you are a teacher, you will teach in your class. If you teach in your class, anyone can do continue work only for 52 minutes. After 52 minutes, every person will have to take rest. So, our mind also needs rest. So, we can't do continue work. We need some rest. So, after 52 minutes, we should take rest. At least 7 minutes. So, 17 minutes or 15 minutes. If you work yourself, but in 52 minutes you will focus in your work. In 52 minutes, if you are doing your work yourself and you need rest, means you are engaged, you are busy in your working, and your work should be also. Neither that I am also reading, I am also mobile, I am also watching the TV. It is not called focus. If you are teaching in the class you should not have mobile. Only for you should teach your student, because it is time for teaching, it is not time for checking your friends. So in this condition, we should use exactly time, and time has been divided for reading, for eating, for sleeping, for walking, for exercise. And we should make a daily routine in our life, and we should follow our routine. And if you follow your routine, I think that you will not have any types of problem, and your body will also reflect. Just as if you are if you are serviceman, if you work any types of work, what you should make a daily routine, just as exercise. Exercise is also important for us, and we have made a plan for exercise, and we move it, we throw it, we think it that as we don't do it. And the second, next day, start meeting tasks. Start meeting tasks with one in the time. Just as we are in the habit of gossiping with our friends, and easily we waste our costly time. And dear friends, I have made you understand that time is money, but time is better than money, not only money. Because money can be earned, but time can't be earned. time comes once time, never return. So we should waste our time just as we waste our money. We should not easily. We should not gossiping. We should not making a friendship. And on the road anywhere in the shop of tea, we waste lots of time with chatting, and we waste lots of time for in YouTube, WhatsApp, and it is nothing. And if you start any type of meeting, then you will think also about the end. If you meet any friend, anywhere, then you will have to think that I have to return within half hour. Not my friend will tell that stay here at night, what will happen? And you will stay there without saying anything. It indicates careless, and such as a person can't be improved anything in his life. You should use your time exactly. So if you meet anyone, you should also end of time. You should make a plan that I have to meet only half hour or 2 hours or 1 hour, and I have to return on home because I have lots of work. I have only for 20 hours time. And dear friend, time is universal. It has been given us by God, equivalent, each and every person, whether level or king, all persons have been given equivalent. It depends on us that how should we use our time exactly, because there are lots of ways of wasting our time. And decide your plan before going to bed, just as I told, and think to time before saying yes to anyone. Okay, dear friend, just as you know that we are in the habit of speaking always yes, because we think what will some person think, the person think, if I tell no. Because you flow the time, and time is going on, and you will have to follow. So in this condition, you will have to tell no also. You will have to tell also no if you have to save your time. Otherwise, there are lots of relations who will call you, and you are the student of a competitive for BPSC or anything, and you will waste 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, anywhere in your relationship. Just you know that our mind can be changed to see the situation. So in this condition, we have problem to adjust. And just as we should use time to think, thought waste means is a urgent work. Urgent work, just as I told you that urgent work is related to our family. Our family just, it may have electric problem, a gas leak, any type of, it is urgent work. So at first we should do it. And second, remove distraction from your routine. It means you have made a routine that you have to exercise each and every day. And today you have slept too much time. And you have only for 15 minutes time. In this condition, you are thinking that no, today I have no time, so I can't do exercise. No, you should not think it. If you have only for 10 minutes, you should use 10 minutes in exercise, because it is time for exercise. So you should be in the habit of removing. You should not be in the habit of removing. You should use it exactly. And you will also follow 80-20. 80-20 means Just as you know that we have lots of friends. We have lots of friends. And some friends are so that only who will waste our costly time. Who will waste our costly time. So we should not take a relation to him. Yeah, we should not relate it to him. Yes, we should be in the habit of telling no, not yes. Only for you will have to select 20 friends. Because if you have to select 20 friends, your 20 friends will do the work of 80 friends. So you should be in the habit of negative, and you should follow it. That who is necessary and who is not necessary for you. And which is necessary, we should do. And which is not necessary, we should be in the habit of ignoring. And urgent and important, it means what is the difference between urgent or important? Urgent means just quick. I will have to do it because there is some problem in my electricity or there is some problem in my kitchen. So it is called urgent work. Yeah, someone has suffering from any disease. It is urgent work that we shall have to consult it first. And important means I have to pass BA. It is important. It is not urgent. And reduce the escape. Don't escape the task. Reduce. It means if you have made your daily routine. If you have made your daily routine that you have to do it. In this condition, you should not reduce any word. You should use each and every time perfectly. If this time is for eating, we should eat only and we should speak something about the food especially. We should think about the food. We should not watch the mobile, and we should not watch the TV at that time because it is time for eating. If it is time for sleeping, if we have gone to bed, then it is time for sleeping. So we should off our mobile and we should sleep because it is necessary for us. We have to sleep at least 6 or 8 hours. If you are healthy, we should sleep 8 hours. In this condition, we should not compromise. You should compromise from YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and you should not compromise from your sleeping time because it is natural thing. Without sleeping, you may have problem. It means the time has been divided, and it is dependent on us that how should we use it exactly. And just reduce escape, don't escape the task means if you have made your daily routine, then you should do your work each and every day exactly. You should not reduce your task. Any circumstance, you should follow your routine if you want to be success in your life. Because time is money, dear friend. Which day we shall accept it that time is money, just as we spend money to think before. In the same way, if we waste our time to think, one day we shall success 100 to 10%. Otherwise, if I waste our time, once time, it may happen that time will destroy us. So, dear friend, you should take it, and we should also sometimes inspire. Just as you know, APJ Abdul Kalam, Just as you know about any scientist who have got their, they have used exact in his time. Okay, I have tried to make you understand about the content of time, and time is money. Thank you, good.